Hello my fellow nerds, my name is Jamie and I'm just trying to live my best nerd life. And I can tell you, I've seen the future. I've dived underwater in a cage. I've gone on a crazy heist in London. I've also explored a derelict alien ship and rescued tiny little robots from an alien overlord. And it's all thanks to this thing. And I'm going to take it off now because I can't actually see anything at all. So as you can probably tell, I bought a PlayStation VR and I'm not going to lie, I really enjoy it. So yeah, a few weeks ago PlayStation had a Days of Play sale thanks to E3, and I've always wanted a VR headset, but I could never actually justify the price. I mean, the thing that I got should have been $249.99, and thanks to that discount that they had during E3, it cost me $179.99. And I even got a little bit of a discount as well because I got it from Argos, and the company that I work for has a employee discount. So yeah, it all kind of went together quite nicely. And I also got a free game with it, and I am very, very happy with it. So yeah, what did I actually get when I bought this package? Well, I got this box, and inside this box there was a headset, also the camera, and a free digital download game. I think it's cost $24.99. Not too sure about that, but yeah, anything free is pretty cool. And I also got this thing right here. I'm gonna put this down, and this is the Astrobot Rescue Mission. Yeah, actually a really, really cute game. I enjoyed playing this. So what was my initial thoughts on the PlayStation VR when I got it out of the packaging? Well, my initial thought was, wow, there's a hell of a lot of wires in this thing. I mean, even though I've seen tutorials on how to put it together, I've seen reviews and all that kind of stuff, it still surprised me actually how many wires there are. I mean, you've got to connect it to the PlayStation, to the TV, etc, etc. There's actually a wire that goes from the processing unit to the actual headset. It's going to be really cool when they actually figure out how to do it wirelessly, because that wire can be very, very annoying. It comes to the back of the unit, and I'm kind of worried that if I use it too much, it's going to damage the wire. I assume that's not going to happen because it does seem kind of like quite a robust wire, but it's still a worry of mine. So other than that initial worry, I am actually very happy with it. It does feel comfortable, it feels lightweight. I can use it with my glasses, which is always a good thing. They don't kind of like, you know, mark my face when I'm using it. I mean, sometimes my eyes can feel a bit strained, but that is kind of part and parcel of if you're using this unit for a long time. I've only had this unit a few weeks, so that means I haven't really played a lot of games. But the games that I have played and the experiences that I have experienced, they are very impressive, to me at least. I know that they have, you know, things like Skyrim in VR, they have Resident Evil, I believe, in VR. There's a Rick and Morty game that I want to try. Job Simulator, I think it's called. So there is a few things that I still want to play. And also, Beat Saber. I would love to play Beat Saber. I'm a very big fan of Just Dance, and it kind of seems to mix VR with Just Dance, so that's appealing to me. One other negative thing I will say, in this pack, you don't get any of the Move controllers. And for Beat Saber, I think you need to use the Move controllers, but that is a negative thing about it. I kind of wish they would include them because they can't. I think they're about £60 for a pair, and so on top of the VR system, it can get a bit expensive. But luckily, my girlfriend has a pair of old PlayStation Move controllers that she got for PS3, I think. So she's going to bring those over and let me have a try and let me have a go with it. So yeah, hopefully that comes out positive. I know I keep saying that, but I am really happy with my purchase. My only real gripe with it is the wires. As soon as they kind of figure out the wireless VR headset, and I know they kind of done that with the Oculus, but I want them to bring it to the PlayStation. Now I assume by the time this video goes out that the Days of Play sale will have ended and it'll go back to its regular price, but it's just nice to see VR that's kind of in a kind of affordable price range. And I jumped at it and I got it and I am happy with it. So yeah, guys, I want to know if you have a VR headset. Is it a PlayStation 1? Is it an Oculus? Is it a Google Cardboard thing that I don't know if they still do. Is it a Nintendo Labo VR kit? They look quite interesting. But yeah, let me know. And if you don't have one, do you want one? And if you did like this video, by all means, drop me a like, subscribe to me, share with your friends. Any kind of feedback is very helpful and I really do appreciate it.